Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand how we can include symbols within our HTML documents. HTML allows symbols that are not present on our regular keywords that we use on a regular basis. Symbols can include mathematical, currency, and technical symbols that are not usually available on the keyboards that we use. In order to add a symbol to HTML, we need to identify and use either its entity name or its decimal or hexadecimal values. Here are a couple of links which can be referred for more details and to have a list of all the symbols that are available and can be included within our documents. So if we open the first URL, here is a list of all the symbols that are available on a HTML5 document. So this, if you look at this one, this is for euro symbol, and in the similar fashion there are several other symbols that we won't have it on a regular keyboard. Let's go back to our article. So as we already mentioned, we can use either a symbol's entity name. So if you want to use symbol's entity name, so all the symbol entity names starts with ampersand, and this is an example here where we have represented this euro symbol using our using a entity name. So this is how it has to be. So how do you find what is the entity name for a particular symbol? You can go to this reference link that we have provided, and you can search for a symbol, and once you find the symbol, put the cursor on the symbol where you can find the entity name. So this is the entity name which starts with ampersand and ends with semicolon like this. And similarly we also have the hexadecimal value, so which starts with ampersand, hash, and then x, and then ends with semicolon, and this is the hexadecimal value. And similarly this is the value for decimal value. So for each and every symbol that is that we can include on HTML document has all these three values. So we can use any of these to include on our HTML documents. Let's go back to our article. So this is an example for using entity name. Here is the another example by using a decimal value for euro symbol, and here is another example where we used hexadecimal value for euro symbol. And we have this example HTML document where we have used paragraph tags, each of them including a euro symbol. The first one using the entity name, this is using the decimal value, and this one is using the hexadecimal value. Let's now open this HTML document code in a browser and see how these values are being processed and displayed. Here is the example's source code. As we mentioned, we used entity name, decimal value, and hexadecimal value on these three paragraphs here. When we open this source code within our browser, this is how the content will look like, where all the three paragraphs are displaying the euro symbol like this. And similarly we can use or we can include any kind of symbol that is available on this reference document. So here is a huge list of symbols that can be used. So overall, this is how we can include symbols within our HTML documents. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.